Welcome to Kids Nursery TV. Splash, splash into the tub. Rub-a-dub-dub in my bubble hub. Duckies float and I giggle with glee. Bath time fun just for me. Bubbles pop, bubbles fly. Some go low and some go high. Wash my toes and scrub my nose in the bubbly water where happiness flows. Soap so sweet, it smells like flowers. I could stay in here for hours and hours. Magic foam and shampoo hair. Rub it gently, I don't care. Bubbles pop, bubbles fly. Some go low and some go high. Wash my ears and clean my cheeks. I'm a shiny star that squeaks. Shh, the water's getting cool. Time to end my bubble pool. Wrap me up in a towel so snug. Time for a kiss and a sleepy hug. Bubbles gone, stars appear. Whispers say that sleep is near. Nighty-night to my bubbly land. Bath time's over, dreams at hand. Good night, Bubbles. Good night, Duck. Sleepy time now. Bath time luck. Seth. Seth.
Thank you for watching. Hooray! Don't forget to click subscribe today.